Welcome to another video where we will show you how to generate passive income for up to $150 a day using 5 incredible apps. And if you want more useful ideas and techniques like these, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Let's begin. Are you tired of the traditional 9-to-5 grind? Want to earn money while you sleep? Well, say goodbye to the limitations of traditional income streams and embrace the lucrative world of making money online through powerful applications. With just a few taps and swipes, you can tap into a wealth of opportunities that will overflow your bank account. No more office politics or time-consuming tasks. These apps are your ticket to passive income success. Picture a life where you're making money effortlessly, even while lounging on a tropical beach or spending quality time with your loved ones. These groundbreaking apps have revolutionized how we earn, allowing you to generate income without lifting a finger. It's like having your own personal money-making machine right at your fingertips. Don't settle for the ordinary when you can embark on an extraordinary journey of financial abundance. Don't let this golden opportunity slip through your fingers. It's time to seize the moment and tap into the immense potential of these life-changing apps. The path to a secure and prosperous future is right before you, just a download away. These apps will show you offer a fantastic opportunity to generate cash and income effortlessly, and they're free to use. Let me walk you through some of the most lucrative options. Lifecoin. Turn your steps into cash with Lifecoin, the app that pays you for walking. It's the ultimate motivation to stay active and earn money effortlessly. Once you install the app on your Android or iOS device, it runs discreetly in the background, tracking your steps and converting them into valuable Lifecoins. Whether strolling around your neighborhood, exploring a new city, or simply going about your daily routine, Lifecoin ensures that every step counts towards your earnings. What sets Lifecoin apart is its versatility when it comes to payment options. You can receive payments directly to your PayPal account and have the flexibility to choose from a wide range of gift cards. Whether you're a fan of online shopping, sports gear, or even the latest tech gadgets, Lifecoin has you covered. They update their reward options continuously, so you'll always have exciting prizes. With Lifecoin, you don't need to worry about taking surveys or completing mundane tasks. Just by installing the app and having your phone with you, you can passively accumulate Lifecoins. It's a truly effortless way to generate extra income. Lifecoin is available worldwide, so no matter where you are, you can join the community of active earners and start making money by just walking. So, why not make your steps count for more? Install Lifecoin today and witness how everyday activities can become a rewarding financial opportunity. Say goodbye to idle walking and hello to a new world where every step earns you real cash. Money SMS. Money SMS rewards you for doing absolutely nothing. Installing the app on your device opens the door to a steady stream of earnings. How does it work? Money SMS sends you text messages generated by this system, and you earn cash for each message you receive. The best part, there's no need to spend time reading or engaging with the messages. You can delete them and still accumulate earnings effortlessly. What sets Money SMS apart is its commitment to user privacy and data security. Rest assured that your private messages remain untouched. The app only reads its test SMS and doesn't collect personal data. This ensures a safe and trustworthy experience. Getting started is hassle-free and cost-free. Download the app from their official website or the Google Play Store. Create an account and let the money making begin. One of the significant advantages of Money SMS is its quick payout system. Once you've accumulated a minimum balance, you can easily withdraw your earnings and receive the funds within 48 hours. You can cash your money swiftly and conveniently with various payment options, including PayPal. The app has garnered the trust of over 400,000 users who have collectively earned over $300,000, making it a reliable and proven way to generate passive income. If you're looking for a hands-free approach to making money online, Money SMS is the answer. By leveraging the power of text messages, you can effortlessly boost your income without any effort. So why not turn your idle moments into a lucrative opportunity? Install Money SMS app today and unlock the potential of passive earnings at your fingertip. Get paid for receiving text messages and watch your bank account grow while you go about your day. Telefia IO. Telefia IO is a platform that rewards you for sharing your insights. Whether you love expressing your thoughts or prefer a passive approach, the app has something for everyone. By participating in surveys, you can earn money while shaping the future of products and services. But what makes Telefia IO truly special is its ability to generate passive income by simply sharing your data. Once you download and install the app on your mobile device, you're on your way to earning money, effortlessly. Telefia provides a download meter that runs in the background, collecting data on your usage. By letting it run for as little as 8 hours a day, you can qualify for $1 in pure passive income. The best part is that the qualified days don't need to be consecutive, giving you flexibility and convenience. Sharing your data with Telefia IO is safe and secure. They prioritize privacy and ensure that your personal information remains protected. The app never asks for access to your device's storage or reads your private messages. Your data is used solely for research purposes and for generating valuable insights. With Telefia IO, you can have peace of mind knowing that your participation is secure and anonymous. When it's time to cash out, Telefia IO offers a seamless experience. You can easily withdraw your earnings to your PayPal account, ensuring a fast and convenient payout process. The platform has gained the trust of over 250,000 active users, who have collectively withdrawn an average of $26 from Telefia IO. This makes it a reputable and reliable choice for earning passive income through sharing your data. Whether you're an opinion enthusiast or prefer a more hands-off approach, Telefia has you covered. By joining the platform, you become part of a community that values your insights and rewards participation. Install Telefia today and start earning money. Mobile Expression Panel. Transform your dormant mobile device into a cash-generating powerhouse with Mobile Expression Panel. This innovative app allows you to effortlessly earn passive income by installing it on your device. It harnesses the power of data collection and rewards you for your participation, offering a seamless way to make money without any effort. Once you download and install Mobile Expression Panel, the app starts gathering anonymous data from your phone. This data helps companies understand consumer behavior, trends, and preferences, ultimately shaping the development of products and services. By contributing your data, you play a vital role in market research while earning money. One of the fantastic advantages of the Mobile Expression Panel is that you can multiply your earnings using multiple devices. If you have extra mobile devices, install the app on each and watch your income grow exponentially. The more devices you have connected, the more money you can earn passively. It's like having a mini money-making network at your fingertips. Mobile Expression Panel has a long-standing reputation, with over 1 million downloads worldwide. It has been a trusted platform for years, providing consistent income to users. The app is designed with privacy and security, ensuring your personal information remains confidential. Your data is collected anonymously and securely, giving you peace of mind while contributing to valuable market research. Mobile Expression Panel offers a convenient and straightforward process when it comes to cashing out your earnings. You can easily withdraw your accumulated income once you reach the minimum threshold, whether it's through PayPal or other payment options. So if you're ready to turn your idle mobile devices into a source of passive income, don't hesitate to install Mobile Expression Panel. Join the millions of satisfied users who have embraced this effortless way to earn money while impacting the future of consumer products and services. Start maximizing your earnings and put your devices to work for you today. Honeygain.com. This reliable app allows you to monetize unused internet traffic by allowing trusted partners to utilize it. It's a secure and safe way to make money effortlessly while maximizing the value of your internet connection. Installing Honeygain.com on your device makes you a part of the pack of users sharing their excess internet bandwidth. The app works discreetly in the background, utilizing your idle data and interest capacity without affecting your browsing experience. It's a win-win situation where you can earn money from something you're not actively doing. Honeygain.com has gained the trust of over 250,000 users worldwide who are already taking advantage of this lucrative opportunity. The app carefully selects and partners with reputable companies and data scientists who require additional internet resources. Your internet traffic is used for web intelligence, content delivery, and performance testing. One of the great benefits of Honeygain.com is its unsimplicity. Once you've installed the app, it automatically starts generating income. There's no need for complex setups or activate participation on your part. You can relax while your internet connection works for you, steadily accumulating earnings over time. Privacy and security are paramount concerns when sharing your internet connection, and Honeygain.com understands that. The app strictly adheres to industry-leading security protocols, protecting your personal information and online activities. Your data is anonymized and encrypted, guaranteeing your privacy throughout the process. Honeygain.com offers convenient options to suit your preferences when cashing out your earnings. You can choose from various payment methods to receive your accumulated income, including PayPal. The app also provides transparency, allowing you to track your earnings in real time and monitor your progress. Join the growing community of Honeygain.com users and start making money by sharing your internet connection. With its trusted reputation, secure infrastructure, and substantial earning potential, it's an excellent opportunity to turn your idle internet resources into a reliable source of passive income. Install Honeygain.com today and unlock the financial possibilities of your internet. With these game-changing apps, you'll be raking in the cash like never before. The opportunities are endless, whether getting paid for walking, sharing your data, or even letting your idle devices work their magic. Take control of your financial destiny and join the ranks of those already living the dream of making money online. Do not pass up the opportunity to increase your profits via these simple and time-saving methods. Begin researching those apps right away to find your blank balance growing exponentially. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video to be beneficial and exciting. Note that there are almost infinite ways to make passive money online. If you want to learn more, we recommend watching some of our other videos, which provide information about various applications created to make it easier for you to earn money. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence and turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we'll see you in the next one.